Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Good morning to you guys. I'm pretty sure I'm posting this in the morning, and if not, I hope you're having a great day. So far, my morning has been going great. I got up, got my kids dressed, fed, dropped off at school, went to the gym, came home, showered, my hair's still air drying. I put on my face makeup, and now we are sitting here gonna talk about a new collection that just launched from Colourpop. Are we surprised? No, we're not, because they're launching so many things all the time. So this one here is super duper exciting because it is the Powerpuff collection. I'm going to show you guys everything that came in this collection. So I used to be a Powerpuff girl growing up. I'm gonna ask you guys, tell me which Powerpuff girl you think I would be. Tell me. Go ahead, leave me a comment. Let me know which Powerpuff girl you think I would be. Okay, so I had two other besties, and we were the three Powerpuff girls, and I was a little bitch growing up. Okay, I just wanted to be the leader, so I thought I was Blossom. I was like, I'm Blossom. You guys figure out who you guys are. So, yeah. But in reality, thinking back now, I was definitely Buttercup. I'm just like a little bossy bitch. Like, it's just who I was growing up. I don't know if I still am, but maybe. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and jump into the entire collection. I hope you guys are excited. Let's get started.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, first and foremost, we're gonna get started with the eyeshadow palette because you guys know I love eyeshadow palettes. I always review new eyeshadow palettes here and show you guys how to create beautiful, extravagant eyeshadow looks, okay? Here we have the eyeshadow palette. This is what the carton looks like. This is the palette, okay? It's just, you guys can see. This is carton right here, and then this is the palette. It's so cute. On the back side of this, you have all of the eyeshadow names. And let's get it open. Now, this is what the actual palette looks like. Turn it around. Same thing as the carton. And yeah, I'm right there. So cute. I'm just kidding. This is me. Look. Cranky all the time. It has a little plastic sleeve to protect the eyeshadows. And look at this. Look at the mirror. It has the three Powerpuff Girls. So cute. Who is this? I don't remember this guy. Do you guys? Anyway, let me show you guys the colors that are in here. How am I feeling about this right now? I feel like we could have... Oh, no. Yeah, this is the perfect Blossom color. I'm like, it's missing a Blossom color. But yeah, this is the perfect Blossom color. I love how we have these two colors with this top row to create more neutral, everyday looks because this bottom row is really wild. But you guys know I love wild. So I still don't know what I'm going to do exactly. I kind of want to stick to like the warm tones right here. Yeah, because I've been doing a couple of green-blue looks in some of my previous videos. So I think I'm going to do something a little bit more on the warm side. Okay, let's move it along to the next item inside of the box. We have the Day is Saved roller gloss kit. Shut up. A roller gloss. This brings me back so many memories of when I started wearing makeup. You guys, obviously, I'm pretty sure you guys remember the roller glosses. And if you don't, if you're a little on the younger side, then let me show you guys what we had to do growing up with gloss. Oh, shiznit. Okay, so these are the glosses right here. And let me open it up. I wonder if it's like the same texture, because you guys remember the glosses were super watery. They were really watery. But yeah, this is where the gloss comes out of. I already have gloss, but I guess let's take it off. Oh yeah, they're watery. But they taste so good. Oh my god, and it feels nice too. Ooh, this like... This Bubbles one is like a blueberry flavor or something. Yeah, okay, so this one is blue raspberry. And then the Buttercup one is green apple. And then Blossom is watermelon. I love how they're all flavored. Let's move it along. We have What are these? Fighting Crime Press Powder Blush. They're both blushes right here. Let me get these opened up. So let's start with fighting crime, and then we'll go into saving the world. Wow. Fighting crime has a little plastic sleeve, and it is intense. This is really, like, the light is kind of like washing this color out. Look at that. That is super intense. So let me open up Saving the World. I hope this one is a little bit more toned down. Oh yeah, this is definitely more toned down. Saving the World is a peachy blush, which you guys know I love peachy blushes. There you guys have it. I think it might be a little too light for my skin tone though. We'll have to see. We also have 3 hair clips for each Powerpuff Girl. We have this Blossom one, the Bubbles, and the Buttercup. I don't think I'd be wearing these, but they are really cute. Ooh, what is this? We have a bubble bath bar. This one is called Drama Bomb. I'm not sure if there's going to be different ones. And this one is actually with Soul Body. It's a Sister Brand 2 Colourpop. So they just threw this in here. It's a little star. It smells really good. Okay, and then the last few items that... Oh, actually, there's another one. This is 4th Ultra Superpowers Lip Mask Duo. 2 lip mask. Let me try one. They forgot a green one for Buttercup, though. She's all left out. I'm going to take off this gloss and put some of this. Ooh, girl, look at that. Overnight lip mask. Definitely need these. So the blue one is called Everything Nice, and then the pink one is called Sugar and Spice. Now for sure, the last items that are inside of this collection are the color sticks. We have him, which is the little weird devil guy. Let me swatch this one. It's interesting. Oh, are they? I mean, what are these? I'm confused. They look like eyeliners. Color sticks. I guess you can use it as eyeliners. Let me read the pamphlet because this is a little bit confusing. Inspired by your favorite supervillains, these brand new color sticks will add the perfect punch to your look. I think they are eyeliners because they don't look like lip pencils. Ooh, that is beautiful. That is really pretty. Okay, let me see the other one. The other one is Princess Morbucks. I don't think I remember Princess Morbucks. Do you guys? Okay, Princess Morbucks is a blue one. Right there. That is going to look so pretty on the waterline. I'm really excited for that. This one here is called Mojo Jojo. How do we not know about this guy? How do we not know? Ooh, this is going to be beautiful. This green one. Wow. Okay, I'm really excited to play with everything. So let's go ahead and start off with a little eye tutorial. Of course, I'm going to start off with some eye primer. I'm going to use this one from Glamlight. I'm just applying it all over the eyelid before we place any eyeshadows on there. I'm going to start off with the darkest shade first, which is called Pokey Oaks. This is a really good size mirror as well. So I'm going to start to place this color onto the crease area and just like pack it on there. Get in there, girl. Alright, so now that we have it on there, we're going to start to blend out the outer edges very lightly. It's blending out wonderful. But we're not going to completely blend it out because I'm going to overlap the color. The color I'm going to be overlapping with is called Girls Rock, and that's this shade right here. Okay, and we're just applying it on top of the other one. Okay, that's looking really pretty. You guys see this outer edge? It's not going to stay that way. We're going to grab a much fluffier brush, and I'm going to take the most neutral shade, and this one is a matte color. It's called Crime Fighting. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and blend out everything at the edge. I'm also going to take a shimmer shade. I'm going to use the color Professor Utonium. How am I forgetting this? Professor Utonium. That's this pinkish champagne color. No, not champagne. It's like, I don't know, girl. I'm just taking this one, okay? with this shade, I'm gonna highlight the brow right here. Just like that. Loving it. And then the color Frenemy is looking marvelous. Look at this color right here. Let me swatch this so you guys can actually see it. Look at that. Let's just go in there with our finger, because why not? It'll be easier, and wow. Okay, that looks pretty. I almost want to go in with a brush just to round it off a little bit better. A ver cuál. Yeah, so that just rounds it off a little bit better right there. Really pretty. Wow, my voice. And I'm going to go back into the color Girls Rock, which is this orangey shade right here. I'm going to be placing that on top of the shimmer a little bit, meeting it halfway. Like that. And then to darken up the outer edge, we're going to take Pokey Oaks, which is the first shade that I used. I'm going to show you guys again, just in case you guys forgot. That's this one right here. And I'm using the same exact brush. Okay, and just applying it to the outer edge. That's looking really summery. Very simple, but kind of what I was going for. Now we're going to make things a little bit funner by using one of these little, what do you call these again? The little sticks, the little eyeliners. For some reason, I want to go into blue, because I always do green. We're going to do the pop of color by using blue. We're going to put that right into our waterline. Very creamy. This color scheme is looking more like fire and water meeting. We're going to stay with using the blue. So I'm going to take this blue right here from the palette and apply it right underneath the eyeliner. That is electric. I really like that. Okay, so far so good. I am going to go back into that previous brush that I used to highlight my eyebrow. And I kind of want to take this shade now. This golden shade. And I'm going to apply it to my water duct. Just like that. Okay, so I finished up the eye look. I'm going to go ahead and do this other eye off camera. I'm going to also apply some mascara, some lashes, and I'll come back and show you guys how I'm going to use the rest of the collection. Okay, I'm back. I just finished up my eye makeup. Now we're going to go into using the blush. I'm going to use Saving the World. Hopefully you guys are able to see this on my skin tone. I already do have some blush, so yeah. Let's go in here. I'm going to use a little fluffy brush and just apply it right there. I can definitely see that color right there. It just kind of looks a little bit too pale in my opinion. No, it looks okay. My hair is pretty much air dried now. It's such a hot mess. I'm pretty sure that is it from this collection. I'm gonna apply a little bit of lip liner. So this lip liner is from the Barbie collection. I hope you guys got a chance to check that one out. I will link it up above so you guys can take a look at that one. That one has by far been one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. The Barbie collection palette. Now I'm going to use the Blossom Gloss, which is this pink one. It's a clear gloss. You're not going to see the pinkish in there, but we're just going to try this over the lip liner. I forgot what flavor this one was. Watermelon. Watermelon sugar high. Alrighty, we're going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed me reviewing the collection and trying on some of these products. If you guys do decide to purchase anything from this collection, I will have everything linked down below in the description box. And I also have a discount code with Colourpop. It is 5Tracey and it gets you $5 off of any purchase with Colourpop. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate your time. I always say that, but I truly do. Just the fact that you guys sit down and hang out with me while I play with some makeup means the world to me. This past year, it's been hard for everybody. I am 100% aware of that. It's just, with me, I'm not very open with the things that I go through in my personal life and even with my mental health. I have been pretty open about it in the past, but when I talk about mental health, I don't talk about the things that I go through because I just feel like when I do so, this is just me in my mind thinking that I'm looking for empathy from you guys watching me, and I really am not. I just want to talk about it because it should be normalized. If you guys are going through depression, anxiety, there's so many like mental health things out there. It should be normalized because it's just very difficult to open up to people, especially me being on the internet. I am criticized about everything. Like everything about me gets criticized on a daily basis. And I know that I'm putting myself out there, but sometimes it just gets to me and I either want to lash out and just go crazy on some people, because believe me, in the real world, I would. If somebody says anything disrespectful to me, I will make sure to put them in their place. I'm not going to sit down and tolerate any bullshit from anybody, which is difficult to do when you're online, because if I do decide to respond to somebody's negative comment about me, I may sound like a complete bitch to somebody that is watching me for the first time. So, yeah. Anyway, I do want to make an updated video, just like a get ready, talking more about things that have been happening with me in my personal life. I like doing that because it just lets you into my life and just knowing me a little bit better on a personal level. That was the longest outro, and it was completely unnecessary, but you know, I just wanted to say thank you for showing up for me when I don't even want to show up for me. I love you guys. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Bye. Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.